Hello everyone, I hope all of you are fine. Welcome to the class, and today we are going to discuss about the examples of an adverb clause. Now, what is an adverb clause? A clause that has a conjunction, subordinate conjunction plus subject plus verb, and that functions as an adverb. It means it answers the question when, where, why, and how. How much or how often. Done. It is known as an adverb clause. Now, what is the important hint? That it takes a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions. Let's discuss some examples. And the very first example is you may sit wherever you want. Number 2 is I do it because I choose it. Then next word is I shall remain where I am. I forgive you since you repent. And next is if you do not hurry, you will miss the train. Now we have to sort out the adverb phrases and adverb clauses. You may sit wherever you want. Now it answers the question, where may you sit? So the answer is wherever you want. Next one is I do it because I choose it. It answers the question why. Here it answers the question where, and here it answers the question why. I shall remain where I am. So it also answers the question where. I forgive you since you repent. It also answers the question why. If you do not hurry, you will miss the train. So how will you miss the train? If you do not hurry, because it is not the answers of where, it is not answer of when. Why will you miss the train? So if you do not hurry, but it will be the answer of how. How will you if you do not hurry? This is reason, sorry. It tells us the reason, or it answers the question why. Let me write a few more examples. You will pass. You will pass if you work hard. So how will you pass? If you work hard. It answers the question how. Next is we shall wait here until you come. So it answers the question. When. Now let me write a few examples and you have to fill in the blanks. The very first one is he is not so clever. Number 2, he does. Next is do not come. We shall miss the train. And the last one is he always does. Now he is not so clever because he does not fool. He does not fool anyone. Make fool of anyone kar lo. Does not make fool of anyone. So it answers the question why. He does whatever he likes. Do not come until I call you. We shall miss the train if we do not hurry. And he always does. He always does whatever whatever suits him. Now sometimes we have to follow the conditions. Sometimes there is certain sentences which do not answer the question when, where, why, how much or how often, but it somehow is an adverb clause because it starts with a subordinating conjunction. Like here, he always does whatever suits him. So it is an adverb clause. Why? Because it starts with an subordinating conjunction, that is whatever. So this is the examples of your fill in the blanks. If you want to answer, I can give you more. I will not go out as it is hot and humid. Now same exercise as we did for the noun clause and adjective clause, that is replacing the phrases with the clauses. Okay, so let's take a start from here. Replace the phrase with a clause. And the first one is they were very grateful to him for his kindness. Next sentence is he ran with all his might. Number 3 is the price is high for an old car. Next sentence is he returns home Walaikum Assalam. Were grateful. They were grateful to him. They were very grateful to him because he was kind to them. Correct answer. He ran with all his might. The price is high for an old car. And the next statement is he always carried I. He ran as fast as he could. Yes, you are right. He always carried out his responsibilities according to instructions. Okay, he ran as fast as he could. Now in this sentence, because he was kind to them, this is the clause. Why were they grateful to him? So whenever we have because, it answers the question why. He ran with all his might. He ran as fast as he could. This is the answer of how much intensity. The price is high because the car is old, right? The price is high because the car is old. So because the car is old, why is the price high? He always carried out his responsibilities according to the instructions. The weather is too bright to last. Now he always carried out his responsibilities according to the instructions. He always carried out his responsibilities because he was given the instructions. He always carried out his responsibilities because he was given the clear instructions. And the last sentence, the weather is too bright to last. The weather is as bright as we expected. So the weather is as bright as we expected. So this is your again answer of how much is. So this is the phrase. So in adverb clauses we have discussed that we use subordinating conjunctions. Sometimes we have different conditional sentences where we are supposed to use subordinating conjunction and make it an adverb clause. Then we discussed a few fill in the blanks, and in fill in the blanks I gave you independent clauses, and then dependent clauses were discussed and given by you. And the last activity was replacing the phrases with the clauses. Adverb phrases were given and you have given correct answers for adverb clauses. Now, while summing up the noun clause, adverb clause and adjective clause. Noun clause, adjective clause, and an adverb clause. Simple tricks we will talk about. A noun clause takes WH plus that, but is equal to noun or pronoun. Adjective clause, WH words, but after the noun or pronoun, and it answers the question to what extent. चलो उसको छोड़ दो. It answers the question what and whom. What and whom का आंसर करता है. ठीक है ये. An adverb clause, subordinating conjunctions, and answers the question when, where, why, how. ठीक है. तो ये आपके पास 3 निशानियां हैं. नाउन क्लॉज जब भी होगा उसमें अगर WH वर्ड होगा भी, दैट होगा भी, then it will be only and only replaceable by noun or pronoun. Even noun phrase you can talk about them. And an adjective clause is always started with WH words, but an adjective clause is written soon after the noun that has been modified in the sentence. And an adverb clause contains the subordinating conjunctions, and it starts with the when, where, why, or how. So this was all about adverb clause and examples of noun clauses and adjective clauses that have been discussed before 2 days. So if you want to discuss anything, we'll go for it. Otherwise, we'll meet by tomorrow. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.